If you've got one of these Yeti coolers or the Rtic or the Ozark or any of these brands of these coolers that use these rubber latches, you're going to find out that after a while, this rubber part gives away and it's going to break. And when it does, it's not a problem. You can buy this set here of replacements, and these are rubber replacements that feel just like the originals. They got the same angle to them and everything. The only thing they don't have is they just don't have the brand, because they can use these across many different brands. But it's the exact same design as this Yeti here to replace it. It's got a nice rubber feel to it. The hand grip feels the same. It's got the same angle to it here and the same mounting hole. Now, how do you mount these? Very easy to do. If you look on this side of your cooler, and I zoom in here a little bit, you're going to see this little rivet here. Well, this is not. This is the cap on a pin, and that pin goes from here to about here. It's about 6 inches long, right there. This pin is the same on that side over there as well. But that 6-inch pin gives this something to pull against. So to get that out, all you got to do is just take a flathead screwdriver or a little chisel or something and just put it down here like this and just draw it back and grab it with some pliers and pull it out. It just presses in place. So it's easy to take it out, slide it back in. Very easy to do. So you're just going to take it out, slide off the last bit of rubber that's stuck there from your old one, and then take your new one, line it up here, and slide that pin back in. That's it. That's all you got to do. Real easy to replace. And this is a quality set here if you're looking for replacements for your rubber T-handles on your fancy cooler. Hope that helps. Have a great day.